going to see is called Jongleur, and this dance was influenced during the Middle Passage, during the slave trade. A lot of the movements you're going to see with this dance, you will see a lot of them, the dancers, the hand is crossed. That's because they had on the chains on their hands. A lot of the movements they do with their feet, you will see that the movements, they're not really big. That's because they had the chains on, and the chains were very heavy, and their movements were restricted. So a lot of the movements is mostly like the upper body, because that is what they had, more to work with. The feet, the chains were really heavy, so you wouldn't see a lot of damage movement with the foot. But as time went on and the dance grew, it evolved some, but that's where it traditionally came from. And the name of this dance is Jongleur.